Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a lemonade mocktail. Start by juicing lemons and making a simple syrup on low heat until sugar dissolves. Combine syrup, lemon juice, and cold water, then add ice and a splash of sparkling water for sparkle. Stir gently, taste, and adjust sweetness. Garnish with mint and lemon slices and serve chilled in a tall glass for best refreshment. Gather fresh lemons, sugar, water, ice, sparkling water, and mint. Use a citrus juicer, measuring cup, small saucepan, and a tall glass. Make a simple syrup by simmering equal parts sugar and water until clear, then cool. Mix syrup, lemon juice, and cold water, adjust sweetness, add ice and sparkling water, stir gently. Finish with mint and lemon slices for aroma and appearance. Serve immediately to preserve fizz and chill. Start with a chilled glass and plenty of ice to keep the drink cold. Pour lemon syrup and lemon juice over ice, add cold water, stir to combine, taste, and tweak sweetness. Top with a splash of sparkling water for bubbles and a bright finish. Add a mint sprig and lemon wheel for garnish, serve with a reusable straw, and enjoy a vibrant, family-friendly mocktail anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.